Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about app. And in today's video, I will show you how to scan any document to PDF. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Then go ahead and click on scan. Then go ahead and position your documents. Hit on scan. Successfully scanned. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and select the document. Now here we go. Next thing you want to do here, you can filter, you can crop, you can erase as the case may be. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on next right here. So here we go. So you have your PDF being selected right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on upload. Successfully upload. By the time you refresh your Google Drive, you're going to see the file right here. Then you can click on these three dots right here and then hit on download. This allows you to download the file into your phone as a PDF file format. It's that simple. So just like so. So let's go ahead. You can see one file download. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.